Welcome. I don't have the whole heap system yet, but we have come up with a new setup. Don't worry, we soon have it all. But anyway, I say thanks to everybody who like, comment, share, subscribe. Today, Iyara. If you don't know Iyara was a man of the Alliance gang. If you don't know him, he's a part of Bounty Killer. Him lyrical bad. You see me? But honestly, never did I pay attention to the music that much. You see me? So the dog have a bunch of this song for never brought them. So me go, you know, him man never brought the war before, you know. And him say him win the war. But some people say otherwise. But we're gonna give dog a chance now for just, you know, come up with some lyrics and make we hear what the dog say.
That them FST fuck. We hurt them never bad from money. And now a night them still nobody. First game from boy violate gun pop off charge one in night chamber. Slap on the 9 fuck face 9 back.
Alright, I like how that come in just a while ago. I like how that come in, the intro bad and the way him coming on the rhythm that tough.
Drop him my friend foot, pussy them a beg for them life, ban them too. Grab him up, them shake him, knock him and couldn't wake him. Them drag him to the side, don't be a phone, a videotape him. Wet him up in water and them fan him and them fan him. Them try this, them try that, but nothing. Them whooping up him high like a junior rape.
Come again.
Put the rifle to rock.
Come again.
Them not bad, that easy that them FST.
Dog tough.
We hurt them.
Don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe.
Them never bad from money. And now a night them still nobody. First game from boy violate gun pop off charge one in night chamber. Slap on the 9 fuck face 9 ball. Drop him my friend foot. Pussy them a beg for them life. Ban them too. Grab him up, them shake him, knock him and couldn't wake him. Them drag him to this.
Dog voice stuff. Dog voice stuff on the rhythm.
I don't be a phone, a videotape him. Wet him up in water and them fan him and them fan him. Them try this, them try that, but nothing. Them whooping up him high like a junior rape.
If a brat can't go like that, man, I have no money for buy black.
When you know bad, fall fall, fix.
Don't forget like, comment, share, subscribe. You know about follow fall.
Left road, Galangin, Shetty door. Gunman out your rifle, take a load. Data code, murderer episode. Kill them and take a shot. Shut up, the very damn miss again. A papi sure. If you put a dope up on my gun, what a jar. Rifle the chip like I know the chip a heart.
Yo, dog tough, you fuck.
Say them want her pussy, make up no man. Live a piece of iron and murder them. Another dopey man, he burn them. Creepy rock.
Yo, where dog get that switch there from? Where dog get that switch there from?
For me, creepy firm, you fuck. Knock it in the head, I don't have that joker. Hey. Wanna play with boy. Nothing nothing wrong, yeah, so me can't destroy. M16 rifle, it eat them dog. Tap it tracing dog, what the beat and ball. Fire shot straight, that a gunman war. Pussy them a trace like gal, well a frack tail. A mickle deep on them ends, we go circle. Scope on the 16, pick them up squeak clean. But you pussy them a boat, they were running up. One a need flower, one a season the back still. All of them dead, but me no see them dance. See him there, yeah, that the one like a girl frack tail. Well off the front.
Dog, this never brought the saying, I say dog and that little girl frack tail, you know. You're the rape allegation that killed never brought right now.
Yeah, alone that they up there. I'm if you do that dirty, yeah, here's your coach me. Build a dog, when my boss first said, them a start run, me a knock it. Them have a trap you over to the post them. Anything run up, just
And you realize the dog give 2-3 different flow. The dog give a storytelling flow through singing, and then him actually give a storytelling and flow again through talking. That tough, you know, that creative, you know. That creative, you know. I get a 10, you know, for that, you know. Alright. Come again.
Not no more. Knock, you know. Them boy a soft, papi show. Action, me deal with dog. Watch it show. Murder them. Another dopey man, he burn them. Grippy rifle, me grippy firm, you fuck. Knock it in the head, I don't have that yoga. Hey. Wanna play with boy. Nothing wrong, yeah, so me can't destroy. M16 rifle, it eat them dog. Tap it tracing dog, what the beat and ball.
If you don't ask me, hold on. Hold on there. If you don't ask me, get a song there a 10 out of 10. When you can see it, 10 out of 10. The song tough. May I give Iyara a 10. Song tough. Song tough. Now, like I said, I don't know who doing the first clash. People say Devil Brat still, and from what me can remember, I can't really tell who me that say win the clash. I don't even think the clash did actually play out fully. But I guess Iyara want step back in that field, you see me? Because from Devil Brat come out and this the Gaza camp, everybody want a piece of Devil Brat head. Cargo, well, you don't even say cargo, because cargo gimmicks man at this point. But Iyara, big up yourself. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Song 10 out of 10. Lyrics, flow, melody 10 out of 10. Creativity 10 out of 10. Straight.